Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to update Instagram to the latest version and get all the new features. So let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, type Instagram and find the app. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. If you only see open, that means you already have the latest update. Step 2. If you are not seeing a new feature, try this. For Android users, open the settings, then go to apps, then click the apps management and search for Instagram. After searching, tap the storage and cache. Then clear cache. Or you can uninstall Instagram and reinstall it for the Play Store. Still not seeing the update? The Instagram rolls out a new features in Faces, so keep checking your app store for updates. And that's it. Now you know how to update Instagram and get all the latest features. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.